In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set reminders in Calendly. Calendly is a powerful scheduling tool that helps you stay on top of your meetings and appointments with ease. One of its most useful features is the ability to set up automated reminders, ensuring you never miss an important meeting and keeping your attendees informed as well. Whether it's email notifications, text reminders, or even follow-ups after your meetings, Calendly offers a range of options to help you stay organized. And if you don't already have a Calendly account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. All right, let's dive right in and walk through the steps of setting up reminders in Calendly. First, go to the Calendly homepage and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of your meetings and events right on your dashboard. Locate the specific meeting for which you'd like to set up reminders. This could be a recurring event or a one-time session. Just click on the one that you want to customize. Now, look to the right side of the meeting details. You'll notice 3 vertical dots. This is the menu for additional options. Go ahead and click on those dots. Doing this will open a drop-down menu where you can adjust and manage settings specific to this event. From that menu, select Edit. Once you choose Edit, a pop-up menu will appear in the right-hand corner of your screen. In this panel, look for the option labeled More Options and click on it. This will give you access to the expanded menu settings for your meeting. Next, scroll down through the menu until you find the section called Notifications and Workflows. This is where you'll be able to adjust the reminder settings for your event. To open it, simply click on the drop-down menu associated with this section. Now it's time to customize your reminder preferences. The options here allow you to toggle notifications either on or off, depending on your needs. You can choose between setting up email reminders, text message reminders, or both. If you want your attendees to receive a follow-up email after the meeting concludes, you can enable that here as well. Each of these settings is designed to help you control how you and your attendees stay informed, so think about what works best for your workflow. Once you've made your selections, be sure to click Save Changes. This step is crucial because it ensures that all of your adjustments are applied and won't be lost. Without saving, your preferences won't take effect, so don't skip this part. And there you have it. You've just customized your reminder settings in Calendly. With these steps, you now know how to set up email and text reminders, as well as post-meeting follow-ups to keep you and your attendees on track. If you have any questions or need help with other features in Calendly, feel free to drop a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.